don't care about subscriber count, Jack, okay? I'm the best dash camera there ever has been and ever will be, okay?
Sure, Nick.
See, look at this. I got a message from an admiring fan.
How can we look at something if we're on the phone, Muppet?
You get what I mean. What the hell? It says, I'm going to kill you. Oh, here's another one. Like I'm totes going to kill you. Oh, got another one. Go check your front door. What the hell? Okay, so you know in the scary movies how whenever the person checks the door, they die?
Yeah.
So should I go check the door?
I wouldn't.
Okay, I'll go answer it. Don't kill me! Oh. So false alarm, it's just UPS. Oh, there's a CD inside. It's called Some Call It Murder. Okay, so should I call 911 or should I just play it?
I'd call 911.
Okay, I'll play it. Wait, it's 2016, I don't have a CD player.
What about the CD player in your car?
Is that what that's for? I just thought that was for decoration.
I hope the stupid isn't contagious.
Say what?
Nothing. Bye.
Okay, bye. What is this? What? Where's the scary music coming from? Wait. Oh! Okay. That one got me. Oh man, I was a bit scared on that one. Wait. So, should I just lock the doors and call 911, or should I get out and confront him? It'd be too cliche if I call 911, so... Okay, who are you, and what do you want?
Oh, ha ha, like you don't know who I am.
No, that's why I asked you.
Oh, you really don't? It's kind of disappointing. Well, here's a hint. You ruined my life.
What? Are you a bad driver that I put in one of my videos?
No, you wouldn't let me cheat on the accounting test last week, and I just don't like you.
Wait, okay, so you're gonna kill me because I wouldn't let you cheat on a math test.
Yeah.
Oh, in that case...
Ugh, I don't want to chase you. Rigging the car would buy you just the right time took a lot of work. I'll just kill you next year.